love potion. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Smooth love potion holders. Now, in this video, I'm talking about today update and also talking about the good news, which is very helpful for all of you guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's start the video, guys. First of all, guys, the right now price of SLP coin smooth love potion in the market is about 0.072476 USD dollar. That is the right now price of SLP. And guys, furthermore, if we study the changes update of smooth love potion, so you can see here last 1 hour update is negative, last 1 day update is also negative, and last 1 week update is also negative, guys. So that's mean that from a long time the SLP prices are going negative. But now in this video I'm talking about the good news. So the good news is that a huge pump of SLP is again coming soon. And when SLP will take a huge pump, in the beginning of a new month, in the October, guys, beginning of October, there is 80% chances that the price will pump, guys. 80% chances that the price will pump, guys. You know what? Why? On the basis of trading volume, guys, because the trading volume of SLP is now positive and a lot of people are investing in SLP. So due to this, I believe, guys, that now here a lot of possibilities that the people are investing in SLP. So due to this positive trading volume, possibilities that the price will high. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this update video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more this kind of update and news videos.